About Trucks. Just a quick update today. We went and got our windows a little bit darker. It comes with about, I think, a 70% tint. Don't quote me on that. Which just wasn't quite dark enough. I like to have the privacy for the folks in the back seat. Also, if I'm storing stuff back in there, it's less of a chance of a smash and grab if the windows are tinted. So we went with the limo tint here in the back. You can see on the front, California law requires that we only do a clear tint, which we did. This actually really helps a lot with the UV rays and the heat going into the cab, which out here where we live, it gets pretty hot. Around back, you can go ahead and see we did a limo tint in the back as well. I think it looks pretty good. One thing that's important to know when you get your windows tinted is that you don't do the windows. I put a little piece of tape over here to remind myself and my kids. You don't want to roll the windows down for the first couple days. We used Auto Trim Design in Davis, California. Lane out there is great. He's done, this might be our 6th vehicle I took. So shout out to Lane, definitely highly recommended. He does great work, he stands by his work. It's all warranted for life. Definitely worth every penny. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for checking in. Hey, thanks everybody for joining us today. We will see you next time. Take care.